Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And a rough day today, especially when it did actually start off very nicely. I mean, got the gap up, but then from that point just bled and went right back down to essentially where it closed. However, it's not like it was a collapse or anything like that. But really the main dynamic that I'm very curious about is, how is the price going to deal with this selling pressure that has very clearly shown up over the past couple of days, in which, and now I get it. Just saying the word selling pressure, I mean, those are just words, right? But that's why I love charts, because they allow you to help visualize words. So when I say selling pressure, that's what I mean right there, represented by that downtrending trend line. Over the past 2 days, I don't mean selling pressure in the sense of the price is going straight down and crashing. I just mean selling pressure in the sense of whenever the price has to try to move back upwards, yeah, it moves upwards, but the problem is it just keeps putting in these lower highs. So every time it moves upwards, these highs just keep getting lower and lower. So keep a very close eye on that. In my mind, that's definitely the first key hurdle that's going to need to be cleared. You got to wipe this selling pressure out of the way, and you do that by, like I said, in my opinion at least, getting up above that trend line and then staying above it. And then after that, you can focus more so on the overarching level of resistance up there at $1.50. But as of right now, top priority is, like I said, trying to wipe away all this selling pressure, which is, very clearly there via that resistance trend line. As far as levels of support, nothing new to report here. Still all about this $1.18 mark down there, which is that gap close location. But the price is doing a good job of holding up well above there. So we'll see what happens with it. Very slow day in the sense of volume was not that big at all. And that's something else you want to keep an eye on. A lot of the traders that trade these things, they have the attention span of a 2-year-old. So if there's volume someplace else, they're going to go chase that. And not saying that'll happen right away, but if volume remains too low for too long, then like I said, traders are going to move on and find something else. So keep an eye on that volume dynamic there. But overall, we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.